Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zik, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to find your Facebook Messenger link. It's very easy, so let's get started. The first step you have to take is to open your Messenger app, and then you have to click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Once you do that, at the top right corner you will see the settings icon. Tap on that, and then if you are using Android, you'll be able to see username option right here, but if you're using iPhone you won't see it. Alright, so if you're seeing the username option, go ahead and click on that, and then you will see your Messenger link right there. So you can just copy your link and share on any platform you want. But if you're using an iPhone, this is what you have to do. You have to go out from your Messenger app, open your Facebook app, and then you have to click on the menu icon at the bottom right corner, and then you will see you have to scroll down and click on settings and privacy. Click on settings, and then you see the search icon at the top right corner. Click on that. Search for username. Once you search for that, you see the username option. Click on that, and once you click on that, here you can now create a Messenger link right here. So that's how you can do it. So this is how you can actually find your Facebook Messenger link. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.